Assalamualaikum. In our group, Vel, Zulhaikal and Dio will present about the terrarium neutralizer.
Most countries in the world face the problem that their soil pH level is too low. Neutralizing and losing up the soil is a waste of time since it must be done at different times. This forces agricultural companies to hire more workers to neutralize and loosen the soil, thus increasing the cost of production. The terrarium neutralizer is a soil neutralizing machine. It helps neutralize by spraying calcium carbonate and loosen the soil at the same time. The lime water, which is an alkaline solution, can reduce the acidity of the soil. It is also equipped with a security camera that can be used to observe the plantation. Future improvements on this mechanism will be needed to increase its effectiveness. Soils can be naturally acid or alkaline, and this can be measured by testing their pH value. Having the correct pH is important for healthy plant growth. Being aware of the long-term effects of different soil management practice on soil pH is also important. Research has demonstrated that some agriculture practices significantly alter the soil pH. Most countries in the world face the problem that their soil pH level is too low and acidic. If the soil is too acidic, it can be a measure of a calcium and magnesium deficiency, which is just as bad for plants as it is for humans. Iron and aluminium in great amounts can tie up phosphorus, which also makes the soil too acidic for plants.
Another thing to consider if your soil is too acidic is poor bacterial growth. This is because with bacteria the soil becomes more alkaline, and if there isn't enough of the good bacteria, the soil will not be fertile enough to support the life. The way to raise the pH of soil is to add lime water to the soil. Lime water acts as soil acid neutralizer and consists of either calcium and magnesium carbonate or calcium carbonate. The terrarium neutralizer function is to release the lime water to each of the chili seedlings with a measurement of 20 mm. The main objective of terrarium neutralizer is to save more time and work, yet humans can do other important work at the same time. So we could use our time more conveniently, hence it will attract more young generation in society to be more interested in the robotic engineering field.
During our research, we have conducted an experiment using chili plants to prove that terrarium neutralizer is effective toward neutralizing the acidic soil and the growth of the plant. Chili plants generally prefer acidic pH below 7, which is neutral, around 6.3 to 6.5 pH when starting out. The chili plant that has been planted in the neutralized soil is taller and more fertile than the chili plant that has been planted in the soil that has not been neutralized. The terrarium neutralizer is proven to be effective toward the growth of the plant. The material that we use is peaty soil, 2 chili seedling, water, Tetrix robotic cell, calcium carbonate, and lime water. And the apparatus that we need is 500 ml beaker, pH soil indicator, terrarium neutralizer ruler, a solar panel, and some wire.
That's all from us. I hope this project will be used in the near future.